What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. When I first started game development, my focus was really all over the place. You see, I didn't actually understand who I wanted to make games for, why I wanted to make these games. It was kind of all just random, and it took me a long time to realize that if you're going to build a game studio, you want to actually narrow your focus down. You want to actually decide who you're going to build games for. You're going to decide what kind of games that audience is going to be receptive to, and then obviously you're going to make a plan around those factors. So that's what I realized actually saved me a whole lot of time, obviously, as well as money. And it started to actually build traction for my studio when I started to think like that. So I think a lot of times new developers, we always get lost. We kind of have this internal bias which kind of affects our decisions, and we tend to make games for ourselves or the younger version of ourselves, when in fact there is not really a big market for it. So you actually have to think in reverse. I know it's quite weird, but you actually have to have your audience in mind first, and then you build games for that specific audience. So if you look at all the big game studios, you look at like Ketchup, they just focus on the hyper casual niche. And you have to decide what type of games you want to make. You want to build card games, you want to do casual games, do you want to do hyper casual casino games, and then kind of narrow your focus in that niche and kind of build a studio around that philosophy. And then over time you will see audiences, they kind of associate your studio with those type of games. So it's a lot easier to market to one type of audience than casting a huge net out and just trying to catch many fish with the same bait. So you actually want to have like a specific type of bait for that target audience, and then you are a lot more likely to get bites. So yeah, don't make the mistake I did all those years ago. Have a targeted focus, know exactly what audience you do want to build games for, and then kind of build everything around that. Use mascot characters, artwork that resonate with that particular audience. Draw them in, you know. It's like all saying like you want to get like moths to a flame. So you have to find out who your moths are, and then obviously give that enticing flame so that you come in and download your games. And that's the only way you're going to really see traction. So don't put your focus all over the place. I've been there, done that. It does not work. Have a targeted, narrow focus, and you'll be much more likely to see results that way. So it's a quick video today. I hope you guys are killing it out there. I hope everything's great. I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace out.